Hello dear students, parents, welcome to Maths Made Easy. So we are continuing the series with our Vedic multiplication Nikhilam method. So in this video, let us discuss about how to multiply numbers when one number is above base and another number is below base. Okay, so in our previous videos we have discussed while both numbers are above bases and both the numbers are below bases. So now in this video we will discuss when one number is above base and another number is below base. So as always, let us start with an example. So our question is, see, we have to multiply 8 into 17. So that is the question. Okay, so let us discuss how we have to do this. So for this one, the same way, first method is same. You have to represent the number as number and deviation. So number 8 and the deviation is -2. And our next number is 17 and our deviation is 7. Okay. So now what will happen? This rule is also same. You have to do either 8 plus 7 or 17 plus -2. So then you will get 17 minus 2. So 15. Okay, whichever that you are comfortable. And then what we will have, so here our deviation, when you multiply deviation, you will get -14 because one number is negative, right? So in our previous cases where our multiplication, the deviation multiplication, both the cases it was a positive number, right? So now what you have to do, so here this is also same. When you multiply deviation, you have to make sure that number of digits are same as that of number of zeros in your base. Okay, so here your base is 10. And so number of zeros is only 1 0 here, right? So here you have 2 digits. So what you have to do, you have to carry forward. So now make sure the sign, see what you are carry forwarding, you are carry forwarding -1. Okay, see here our value is -14. So you have to retain 4 here and carry forward this 1. So what you will get, 15, 5 minus 1, you will get 14. And then what is this? 4. You can retain 4, but what is the 4? It is 4 is negative, right? What you have is -14. And from here the -1 you have carry forward to this one. But here it is 114. So what you have, the resultant number is 14 and then 4 with a bar. Bar indicates that it is a negative number. Okay. So this much is same. Now what you have to do, so we have multiplying two positive numbers, so your answer is definitely a positive number. So this bar representation you have to remove. Okay, so from this one, so you will get the answer in this form, and from this form you have to remove the bar. So for removing the bar you have to follow certain rules. Okay, so let's see how we can remove the bars. This is the, so our answer was, you got your representation was, you got from your previous slide, we got this as the answer, right? 144 with a 4 with a bar. Okay, so this 4 bar we have to, now you have to convert, you have to remove this bar and make it to a positive integer. So if you have a representation like this, how you can remove this bar? Okay, so for that, these are all the rules that you have to follow. Okay, so you have to follow the last digit with the bar from 10. Okay, if you have a combination like this, to convert it into a real form, what you have to do is you have to follow these rules. So the first rule is with a bar. So you have what you will get from your previous multiplication, you will get something like a combination of positive number and a positive set of numbers with a bar. So what you have to do is, numbers with the bar, subtract the last digit from 10 and the remaining digits from 9. Okay, so that is the first rule. Subtract the last digit with the bar from 10 and subtract the other digits with the bar from 9. So here what is the last digit? It is 4. Okay, so 4 you have to subtract from 10. So when you subtract 4 from 10, what you will get? You will get 6. You don't have any remaining numbers with the bar, and so you don't have to subtract anything with the 9 because we don't have numbers. If you have any numbers, you have to subtract it from 9. Then what you have to do, take this whole number 14 and subtract 1 from the whole number. So 14 minus 1. So what you will get? You will get 13. Okay, so your answer is 18 into 8 into 17. You will get the answer as 136. So this is how you have to remove bar. So we will discuss this one more example. Okay. So our question is 7 into 16. Okay, you have to do 7 into 16. So how will you do? 7 minus 3, 16, 6. Okay, so then what we have to do? You have to do whichever that is easier for you. I am going with 16 minus 3. So you will get 13. And 3 into minus 3 into 6. So minus 3 into 6 what you will get? You will get 18. Okay, so then what you have to do? This one, this is 2 digits are there. Our base is 10. So 10 is the base. So you have only 1 0 there. So what you have to do? You have to carry forward. So when you carry forward, what you will get? 3 minus 1, 2 you will get. Minus 1 you are carry forwarding. So you will get 12 and 8 with a bar. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to remove the bar. So how will you remove? That is the rule. So we have to have a follow certain rules that as we discussed in the previous slide. So what you have to do? Subtract last digit from 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Then what you have to do? So 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11. So your answer is 112. So 7 into 16, the answer is 112. Okay, so this is how you have to do. So let's see one more example. So our question is 96 into 112. So that is the question that you have to answer. Do 96 into 112. 96 into 112. So here our base is 100. Okay. So now 96, how can you write? You can write 96 as 96 4 minus 4. And 112, how will you write? 112, 12. Okay. So now what you have to do? So whichever is easy for you, either 96 plus 12 or 112 minus 4. So I am going with 112 minus 4. So we already know how to subtract using Vedic method that we have already learned in our previous videos. So you can do that. Then 12 into 14 you will get minus 48. Minus 4 into 12. Okay, so you will get minus 48. So now what you have? 100 is the base. So 100 has 2 zeros, right? So here also we have 2 zeros. So no need to carry forward. So what is the answer that you got? Minus 48. So what you have to do? It is 4 bar and 8 bar. Okay, so now what you have to do? This we have to convert. So what is the rule? Our rule is subtract the last digit with the bar from 10. Okay. So 8 you have to subtract from 10. So what you will get? You will get 2. Now what you have to do? 4 is also with the bar. So that also you have to remove. So what you have to do? If the remaining one, subtract the last digit only you are subtracting from 10. The remaining ones with the bar you have to subtract from 9. Okay. So you have to do 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 we will get 5. Okay, then what you have to do? This 108, that 108 minus 1. What is 108 minus 1? It is 107. So our answer is 96 into 12. The answer is 10752. That is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. 96 into 112. The answer is 10752. So let's do one more example. So our question is 92 into 103. That is the question. 92 into 103. So what you have to do? 92 minus 8. 103. 103, 3. So whichever that you are comfortable that you can do. So I think 92 plus 3 is easy, right? So we'll go for this 92 plus 3. So we'll get 95 and you will get minus 24. So we have 2 digit, right? So 9524. 9524, 2 and 4 with a bar. Okay, so what you will get? Now you have to remove the bar. So for last digit you have to subtract from 10. 10 minus 4. So you will get 6. Then the next digit with a bar you have to subtract from 9. 9 minus 2. So you will get 7. Now what you have to do? The remaining 95. So 95 minus 1. You will get 94. 9476. So our 92 into 103. The answer is 9476. So this is very easy, right? So compared to your traditional method. So now in your traditional method you have to do some 2 multiplication, then the proper alignment, addition, all those things you have to do. Okay, so now this is easy. Okay, let's do some more examples. So our next question is, you have to do 1029 into 991. Okay, so 3-digit number. So what is your base? Your base is 1000. Okay, so 1029 and what is the alternate deviation? 29 and 991. So 991, what is the deviation? Minus 9. Okay, so I am going for this 1029 minus 9. So you will get 1020, 1020. This 29 into minus 9. So actually in our next series, we will learn how to multiply this 29 into minus 9 in an easier way. So for the time being, we will go with the traditional multiplication. You will get minus 261. So this minus 261, 3 digits are there. In 1000 also 3 zeros are there. So no need to carry forward, but you have to remove the bars. Okay, so 1020, 261 bar. So 261 for 3 numbers bar is there. So what you have to do? So last number 1 you have to subtract from 10. Okay, so you got 9. So the remaining, now for 2 and 6 also bar is there, right? So for 2 and 6 also bar is there. So what you have to do? Okay, so it is 1020. Some error happened. Okay, I'll do it once again. So here 10 mistake is there. I'll do it once again. Our question is 991. Our question is 1029 into 991. That is our question. Okay, so we have to write 1029 and our deviation is 29. 991, our deviation is minus 9. Okay, so whichever that you are comfortable, 1029 minus 9 or 991 plus 29, whichever is comfortable, do that. So you will get 1020, 1020. Now minus 29 into minus 9, you will get 261, minus 261. Okay, so now what you have to do? 1020, 261 and you have bar on these 3 digits, last 3 digits. Okay, 261. Now you have to remove the bar. So for removing bar, what is the rule? Last digit you have to subtract from 10. So you will get 9. Last digit is 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Then the remaining digits you have to subtract from 9. Okay, so 9 minus 6 you will get 3 and then 9 minus 2 you will get 7. And then what we have to do? This 1020 minus 1. You have to find out 1020 minus 1. So that is 1019. So this is our answer. 1019731. That is our answer. Okay. So let's do one more example. So the question is 996 into 1018. That is the question. 996. So 996 represent as 996 minus 4. 1018, 18. Okay. So now what you have to do? Whichever is easier. 996 plus 18 or 1018 minus 4. So we'll go with 1018 minus 4. 1014. Then 18 minus 4 into 18. You will get 72. Okay, negative. So here what you have to do? So that rule here also we have to follow. Number of digits. When you multiply the deviation, number of digits should be same as that of number of zeros in your base. So in your base you have only, you have 3 zeros. But here you have only 2 digits. So what you have to do? You have to add a 0 here. Okay, so now what is our remaining number? 1014072. But you have bars on 2 and 7. Okay. So now what you have to do? We have to remove the bar. How will you remove the bar? Last digit you have to subtract from 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. So now then what you have to do? These remaining number 10140. That number minus 1. 10140 minus 1. So what you will get? 10139. Okay, so 996 into 1018, 1018. The answer is 1013928. So this is simple, right? So otherwise, like how many multiplication you have to do? 3 multiplication and then 3 that align the addition, and then although that those many operations you have to do. So this is very simple, like do. So if you practice this, so by practice only you will learn. If you practice this, this is very good for competitive exams and all. You can save that much time. Okay, so let's do one more example. So these rules you have to make sure. Okay, you have the number of digits as the number of zeros, and then like if you have extra digits you have to carry forward it properly, and then removing the bars you have to follow rule. What is the rule? Subtract the last digit from 10, remaining digit from 9, and then take the whole number, whatever is remaining, take that whole number. Okay, take that whole number and subtract 1 from it. So that is the so we'll do one more example. So our question is 998 into 1003. That is the question. 998 into 1003. Okay. So 998, it is 998 minus 2. That is the representation. Now 1003. So 1003, 3. That is the representation. So we'll do this one. 1003 minus 2. So you will get 1001. Then 3 2s are 6, right? So here what you have to do, see your 6, it is negative, minus 6. And then what you have to do, see the number of digits, that is wrong, right? So number of digit 1000, you have 3 zeros. So you have only one digit here. So what you have to do, you have to add 2 zeros. Okay, here we have to add 2 zeros, then only it will become 3 digits. So now what you have to do, now we have to remove the bar, 1 0 0 1, 2 0, then 6 bar. This is the number. So this number we have to convert. So what you have to do, last digit you have to subtract from 10. 10 minus 6 you got 4. So you don't have any other digits with the bar. So there is nothing to subtract from 9. So then what you have to do, so now this one, take this entire number. Okay, take this entire number and make it minus 1. So this number minus 1, 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0 minus 1. You have to do that. So when you do that you will get 1 0 0 0 9 9. This is what you are getting. Okay, so then this is your answer. Okay, so if you do 998 into 1003, you will get the answer as 100994. That is the answer. Okay, so hope you understood this one. If you want to receive more such videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.